Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chess. Calm and signing in, this gets your profile and preferences loaded. Once signed in, click your profile avatar at top right, then choose Settings from the drop-down. Make sure you use the updated app or a modern browser so interface elements appear. Otherwise, options like focus mode may be hidden. Now that settings is open, you're ready to move to interface or game settings, so keep the menu visible and follow the next steps carefully. Once in settings, find interface or game preferences. They control visuals and behavior. You'll see sections labeled board display, appearance, or distractions. Focus mode usually sits there. Read the small description to confirm it hides move lists, chat, and timers as needed. That explains why enabling it reduces visual clutter and boosts concentration. Toggle the focus mode switch or check the box, then observe how the board changes. If nothing happens, make sure you saved settings or refresh the page to apply the change. To finish, start a quick practice or challenge game and verify focus mode, reduce distractions. No chat, condensed move list, cleaner board. If it didn't apply, save settings and refresh. Sometimes caching prevents immediate changes. Make sure your browser or app is up to date. If problems persist, clear cache or reinstall the app because stale files can block UI updates. Also check for interfering browser extensions, disable them temporarily. Once resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.